Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Monday, August 3rd, 2020, guys. It's a brand new month. It's Monday, the start of the week, and another Green Monday, guys. I am super excited. It was awesome. The teamwork in the PSC 13 community has been great. I couldn't be any happier, guys. We have some new members that started today, first day with us, and a green day for them, guys. So I'm happy about it. And we had some great swing trades from Friday, and then some other great trades from a watch list that I put up on the PSC 13 website yesterday. And let's get right to it, guys. First, let's start with the swing trades from Friday, guys. So I have CHFS here on the screen for you. CHFS looks great. It looks great for continuation. I took profits in the morning and I let it go. I had told the group on the watch list, I put it up there for them as a warning that if CHFS wouldn't make a move today, that I was cutting my losses, or if it would make a move, I was taking profits and just let it go. Reason being, guys, is I'm going to show you right now. It's got earnings tomorrow. It's got earnings tomorrow pre-market, guys. So I don't hold through earnings, and I just want to take my profits, get out. Now, depending on earnings and if they're good or not, and what the setup looks like, then after earnings, maybe a day or two afterwards, or later, I don't know. It all depends on how it starts setting up. I might take interest in this one again, but I do think that this one has more potential depending on its earnings. So CHFS, guys, another successful swing trade. So it started making the move. I took profits right here at I think believe $1, guys. I didn't hold through this or anything else. So as you can see, it started trading like algorithmically or something like that. So right now I'm out of it, and I took profits. We entered yesterday, or we entered on Friday when it started making this move. We came in here around the 84 to 84.50 level, and we held and took profits today, guys. That's about a to the $1 level, 17% return on investment, guys. CHFS successful swing trade from Friday. And then from the watch list that I posted up yesterday on the psc13.com website, guys, was AVGR. So I had put this one up from an entry at the 50-cent level with room all the way up to 60, and look at how it just turned out, guys. Now it was a slow grinder, but I told the group, I gave them the entry, the exit, and the stop loss was at 47. It never got there, and as you can see here, it started trickling up. I put an entry at 48.50. I believe I entered here at 48.50 as it started to make this move. Then it started trickling down. It didn't stop me out. Right here, it bounced at 48, came back up, then came back down. And again, look at this. You see the pre market at 48. You see, sorry about that, guys. You see how this 48 level yesterday was resistance as well. So now that resistance became support today. This is a double bottom play. And then I started taking profits here. I took profits here. I added a little more, thinking it was an afternoon setup for a swing trade. Didn't work out, so stopped out. But still took some profits, just gave a little bit back, and then this happened, guys. So AVGR, another successful trade, again straight from the watch list for a day trade. I also posted this one up on the WhatsApp group for a day trade. So hopefully they were able to trade it. Nobody mentioned anything, so I don't know if they were scared to day trade and they were just waiting for swing trades. But AVGR, guys, another successful trade straight off of the watch list. Um, Now there was plenty of action today, guys. I'm not gonna go over all the trades. Brian was actively trading. He nailed a whole bunch of bounce plays on PRPO, TAOAP, on solo, and I can't remember the fourth one, but he just started the day strong and he finished strong in the afternoon. He was just actively trading and locking in, stuff. So that was awesome. And Brian is one of our most active traders in the group, and he knows his stuff. He's a dip buyer, so he knows how to trade that kind of style. It fits him very well, and it's awesome to have him in the group. It's a lot of fun. So um, let me move on to the next ones, guys, because I do have several to talk about. I'm gonna try to go as fast as possible. I'm gonna go with the current swing trade positions that we have holding for tomorrow. And I'm going to start with the big mover of the day, guys. That's COCP, guys. COCP is also one that's been on the watch list for an entry at 220. And let me take you to the daily, guys. We were just having it on watch because we wanted to trade it here. And as you can see, it was a failed trade. It started coming lower. It started breaking out of this or below this upward channel. But today it put up a really good candle in the afternoon for an afternoon setup. And I told the group, this looks good. I'm just going to wait for it to come test the two level to make sure that it wants to continue going up. So let me take you to the 1 day 3 minute. So let me take you to that action, guys. So it makes this big move, comes back down, and I see that the 9 EMA, the trend line holding support. So right here at one, actually was on this candle. Once it made a higher, it broke this candle. This candle was a higher candle. I took an entry at 197, guys, for the break of two. Then I added here at 202 or 203 to average to a $2 entry, average up to a $2 entry. And then it just never looked back, guys. I held this after market. I took some profits. I believe here I told the group at 275. I had a sell limit of half my position, and I'm still holding the rest because it looks like it might be a continuation play. As you can see, it's still holding strong after market. So this one was just a big winner, guys. I locked in profits from the $2 entry, guys. This is the $2 level to 275. That's a 37% return on investment, guys. 37% return. So just do the math depending on the entry or the amount of money that you would have put into it. 37% is quite a hefty return. So COCP, guys, we're still holding this one for swing trade for tomorrow. Another one that we are holding, guys, it's PDSB. PDSB started making this move today and it came back down, put the touch and go. I called it out at 420. People got it 420, 423. And right now, as you can see, it's at around 450 for about a 6% return. It did have this little kind of little squeeze. You could have taken profits here. Again, if you're not under the PDT rule, you could have done that. People who fall under the PDT rule, then we're holding for a continuation play tomorrow. And why is this one? Why was this one called out? Let me take you to the 1 year, 1 day, guys. So as you can see here, we've got this pole, and then we've got this flag pattern. So that 450 level is critical. If it gets broken, guys, I see room to five. I see room to 550 for another 10 to 20% return. So depending on how it opens tomorrow and with this candle that was put up today, it looks pretty strong. The close was strong and it's trickling up after market. So this one looks to be a very, very good swing trade. And that's why we took an entry on it, PDSB. Another one that we are holding, guys, and this one I've been trying to trade and nail for the longest time, and it looks like it might finally come and make that move that I want. It's got this little like cup and handle thing going on. It does have a bunch of upper wicks, but it didn't sell off here. This is like a little touch and go. So I'm expecting that it'll be after the touch and go on the third day, it's gonna put up a candle that I want. I know I told you last time out on the previous video, that I wanted to see a green candle put up somewhere somehow like this. So if tomorrow it does this, now we are holding an entry on this one for a swing trade. So if it does this, I'll probably add for the break of 65, and then a continuation higher, guys. So that is my idea on this one. And again, it's on a swing trade. What's on watch, guys? For tomorrow, ADMP. This one I am holding a small position on it, just a starting level position, because it broke out of this wedge pattern. It's starting to curl up after the break. It kind of held support at the top of the pattern, and now it's trickling back up. So I'm holding an entry here at, I believe, 125 or 120, 127 actually. So it's just a starting level position. It's just to get my feet wet on in it, and then hopefully tomorrow I can start making a push. And I'm hoping that it doesn't break out in the morning. I'm hoping it stays below or around VWAP during the day, and in the afternoon starts making a move to start testing the 150, because that'll be an awesome swing trade opportunity, guys, if it sets up like that in the afternoon. But if it doesn't, I still have a small piece in it, so I can start taking profits if it starts making that kind of move. So ADMP, guys, on watch for a swing trade tomorrow with a small position in it right now. Another one that's on watch, guys, is ACST. This one is straight off the watch list. Um, you can see the relative volume starting to get a little better, as you can see right here. It's starting to come up, and it's at a critical 80 cent level. So if tomorrow can make a move, then we'll be able to day trade it from 80. It's got room all the way to the $1 level. So we'll see how that goes. ACST, guys, also on watch for tomorrow. There's others that are posted on the watch list, guys, and that's only exclusive to the members from PSE13.com. So feel free to check it out, guys. Again, there are some pages that are exclusive only to the paid members, but the rest of the stuff you can check out. Um, it's something that if you want to start educating yourself on this, guys, it's affordable. It's accessible to everyone. The group is awesome. The collaboration with the group is awesome, guys. Within the group, it's awesome. So, I really recommend it. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain, guys. And I hope you consider that. In any case, guys, I wish everybody the best and happy trading. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.